Good boy,
Oh,
Mac.
good job, Mac. Mac has a ball,
Thank you.
Gigi.
You gonna throw it for him, Gia?
Drop it. Come here, G. Gigi, come here. Let's throw it. I'll show you. I'll help you. I'll help you.
She's bored. Oh, what'd you find? What'd you find? What'd you find, Gia? You find a stick? Ah, oh, get him. Get him. Go get him.
Where's Mac?
Go get Mac. You tell him. Rah, rah. Rah, rah.
What are you eating? Say, come here, Mac.
You tell him.
Be careful with that stick in your hand. You're going to poke your eye out, little girl. You could poke your little eye out.
Oh, there's Mac. There's Mac. Woo!
Whoa.
Go get him. Go get him.
Go get him. Go help him out.
Go help him. Go help him, G. Oh,
Careful.
Uh-oh.
You're going to get a goat.
What happened? Put your shoe.
What happened? Put your shoe on.
Put it back on.
Put it back on.
Put your shoe on.
Look how light it looks in that lens.
Put your shoe on. Put it on.
Put it on.
Put your shoe on.
You need help? How do you say help? Help,
You're
help.
going to get a goat head in there, in that little footsie.
Ask Grandpa to help you. I'm recording you.
Come here, I'll help you.
Say help, please. Say help.
Help. Help, G.
Say help.
Gia, help. Help.
Help.
Huh? Okay. Let me see if the shoe fits.
Wear it.
Oh, yeah.
Look at you.
Ooh, I just
there
got a
we
goat
go.
head off of that shoe.
Now you can run.
I just got a goat head off of that shoe. That
Did
was
you?
Yikes.
cheap.
Throw it for Mac. Oh, it's really
They'll
dirty.
be on the bottom of your shoes when you leave out of here. I don't know how Mac doesn't get them.
He probably does.
Well, they usually will let you know if they do. What you doing, baby? Get them, me. Get them. Get them. Get them, me. Get those gophers. Actually, she'll sit out there the whole time and listen for gophers.
Aww.
That's actually what these dogs are
You guys
trained
never
to
have
do.
gophers in your backyard, huh?
Uh-uh.
We have them like crazy.
Really?
In your
Oh my
backyard?
gosh, yes.
Really?
The dogs love to dig for them.
Oh, wow.
And Sammy likes to put the hose down their holes
Yep.
to see if they pop out somewhere.
Careful.
Uh-oh.
It fell off again. Look at that look on her face.
What happened?
What happened?
Get your shoe on.
You ran right out of it.
Put your shoe on. Go step on it.
Put
Go
your
step
shoe
on
on.
your shoe.